Hello, Panthers. Welcome back to the fall semester. I trust you had an amazing summer and a restful summer. You're ready to get back to business, right? Guys, I am Professor Brown. I will be a professor for this semester. I just want to share a little bit about myself with you before we get started. I am a salon owner here in Rancho Cucamonga, and I also own another location in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've been a salon owner for 8 years. I've been doing hair for 20 years, and I've been teaching for 5. I taught cosmetology at Riverside City College, and now I'm teaching here business at Chaffey College. I graduated from Cal State San Bernardino with 2 bachelors and a master. My bachelors are in entrepreneur management and marketing. My master is in business administration. I am currently a student at the University of Laverne, studying and working towards my doctoral program. That's also in business administration. I want to talk to you how to navigate Canvas this semester. Canvas, if you need help, to be honest with you, is to go to the library. Inside the library, there's a room that is L8. That room is solely dedicated for distance education. In there, you'll be able to find tutors that will help you how to navigate Canvas. And this room is L8 inside the library. I sent out a link to also be accessible to you all for Canvas orientation. With that link, you'll be able to gain extra credit. Now it's being offered on the 14th, which we are not going to meet then, but I did email every one of you, and I hope you were able to gain access to that email and at least took advantage of that extra credit. A little bit about our textbook. We have an OpenStax textbook, which is Intro to Business textbook. This book is available to you on Canvas. So in Canvas, you have a link that once you click on that link, it will take you directly to our textbook. Our textbook is made to you for free. You don't have to pay for it. You can either click on the link and it will take you directly to the website for the textbook, or if you want a hard cover or hard copy, you could go to the library and the bookstore. You go to the bookstore and they will print you your own copy, your own PDF copy that you will have access to it. The book also comes with PowerPoints on our Canvas. I made that available to you. So there's a lot of ways you can gain access to this book. Now, a little bit about our syllabus. We have a syllabus that has 4 modules. Each module is 4 weeks. Each module contains 1 to 4 chapters or 1 to 3 chapters. Each chapter is due on a weekly basis. However, I set it up in a way where if you turn it in during the last day of the module, you will still get credit for it. I'm trying to make your life easier, guys. So I hope you follow this syllabus so you will understand how to navigate and do your assignment. Now, if you need me, email me. Email me or create a Zoom appointment. In your portal on Canvas, there's a Zoom link. All you gotta do is click on that and you can set up an appointment with me. Because our class is fully online, so you're not gonna be able to see me face to face. I won't be able to see you face to face. However, You'll be able to gain access to me anytime you want. I make myself available to you anytime. I do recommend you give me 24 hours to return your emails, or for us to set up an appointment. You gotta be, we have to come to an understanding. I'm also a student and I'm doing my doctoral program. But I promise you, I'll make myself available to you anytime you need me. Please, please, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am here for you. I want you to pass this class, and I want you to understand and enjoy business as I have enjoyed it. And I'm telling you, once you enjoy business, for those of you that are undecided, you will decide whether business is your major, and I think you will. With that said, I want you to have a great, great semester. Pass all your classes and pass this class. And I hope you ended up enjoying this class so much so that you'll end up taking my other classes. With that said, I truly, truly welcome you all. I am glad you are here. I enjoy diversity. I enjoy feedback. I enjoy learning from you. So let's make this a wonderful, amazing semester. I'll see you all on Zoom pretty soon. Take advantage of Zoom. Bye, you guys. Have fun in your classes. Bye.